Hey, it's Garrick with Eco-Stylist, back with another video, and today's topic is the top 100 sustainable fashion brands that are actually good, actually sustainable, and that you can trust. In this video, I'm going to cover 4 main topics. First, I'm going to talk about why I'm making this video. Then, I'll talk about our sustainable brand criteria, how we certify brands for sustainable fashion at Eco-Stylist and what makes these brands different and why you can trust them. Then, I'll go into our top 10 favorite sustainable fashion brands. These are 10 brands that I really love. And then finally, I'll show you 90 plus more sustainable fashion brands, show you a go-to resource where you can find over 100 great brands that have been vetted and certified to shop sustainable fashion. Let's get into it. So why am I making this video? The main reason I'm making this video is because I was searching in YouTube for top sustainable fashion brands and sustainable fashion brands list. And the top few results really surprised me. I'm going to show you some of the results that I saw here so you can see for yourself, but essentially of the top results I found in YouTube, 2 of those results were AI generated videos. And when I say AI generated videos, I mean it appeared that the entire video was AI generated with stock images, stock photos. It appeared the script was AI generated. And there's a lot of problems with this. Obviously these lists included brands that we failed and would not recommend to you, like Levi's. If you're not sure why AI wouldn't be a trustworthy source for top sustainable fashion brands, I can make an entire video about that. But the gist of it is essentially, right, that AI is going to aggregate information from across the internet from a variety of sources. And as you probably know, when it comes to sustainable fashion, there's tons of greenwashing and misinformation. So inevitably, AI is going to include that in its results. So an AI roundup of top sustainable fashion brands is not a source that you want to trust. Now, moving on from this, after these results, I found a video and with a real person talking. But with this video, some things were concerning, like especially the brands that she was recommending. For example, she recommended Nike. I'm not sure why. We failed Nike with our criteria. We actually have a whole article about that, which I'll link in the video description if you wanna check that out. But this video was also concerning because it wasn't clear what credibility or criteria she had for recommending these brands. And if I had to guess, from this video, it appears that she works for some kind of brand or marketing agency. So there was a lot of things that were unclear. It was like, does she work for these brands? Are they paying her? It just wasn't really clear because again, from a sustainability perspective, like I wouldn't include Nike in a list of top 10 sustainable fashion brands that I was recommending. Now, once we move past these first initial results, eventually I found some good results, right? Some better results. For sure, that were more thoughtful, put together results with better lists of brands. But even within these, I found some things that were concerning. For example, some of these other YouTubers recommended organic basics, for example. And I'll have that video linked here in the cards for you if you want to check it out. You can find out why and how we failed organic basics, why it's no longer a brand that we would recommend to you. But ultimately, after coming through all these results, I felt the need to make a video for you guys to help you cut through the noise, cut through greenwashing, and find a list of sustainable fashion brands that you can actually trust and feel good shopping. So that's why I decided to make this video. Next, I'll talk about our sustainable brand criteria so you can see how we evaluate and research brands, and you can see why these are brands that you can trust. So at Eco-Stylist, we research brands with our sustainable brand criteria. And the brands that we certify are leaders in sustainable fashion. This means that we only ever recommend certified brands to you that you can trust so you can skip the greenwashing. If you want to know how we evaluate brands, the gist of it is that we rate brands in 3 main pillars. We rate brands for transparency, fair labor, and sustainably made. If you want to dig deeper into our criteria and actually see the entire thing, we actually made a whole video about that, which I'll have linked for you here in the cards if you want to check it out and learn more about how we rate brands. Now, the reason that it's important that we use a scientific approach for researching brands and that we have a set criteria for researching brands is that this is the only way to do so fairly, right? Like if somebody evaluates brands that maybe they've researched those brands, right? And they've selected them, but if they're not using the same consistent criteria for every brand they research, then at the end of the day, the recommendations aren't really fair, right? Because it's like you're not really evaluating brands fairly, like apples to apples, if you're not using a scientific approach, if you're not using the same criteria and the exact same methods for how you research all those brands. So for that reason, we use a consistent sustainable brand criteria to research and find the best sustainable fashion brands for you. Now, additionally, before I share my top 10 brands with you all, it's important to note that we set a really high bar for what it means to be a sustainable fashion brand. The vast majority of the brands that we research at Eco-Stylist fail our assessment, and so only the top and best brands pass our criteria. There's a lot of evidence to this, but just to give you one example, let's compare our certification to another certification that people use and trust, B Corp. When researching brands, we've both passed and failed B Corps. Obviously, some of the brands that we certify are B corporations, but we've also failed a number of B corporations over the years. Just as one example, I'm not sure if you're aware, but B Corp recently certified fast fashion brand Princess Polly. I'll have that video linked for you here in the cards as well if you want to learn more about that and what that means for sustainable fashion. But the short of it is that our criteria is fashion specific, and we set a high bar for what it means to be a sustainable fashion brand. So the brands that we certify are leaders in sustainable fashion and brands that we fully believe in ourselves and would recommend to you. One other thing worth noting about our research is that our research at Eco-Stylist is 100% independent. That means the only way that it's possible for a brand to pass our certification is if they actually pass our certification. There's no shortcuts, no ways around it, and brands cannot pay to be certified at Eco-Stylist. In addition to that, more than 99% of the research that we do is free and unfunded, meaning nobody's paying us to do this research. We're doing it in order to find the best sustainable fashion brands for you. Now at Eco-Stylist, we do also offer a certification service for brands, and this helps them improve their sustainability score within our assessment and gives them direct and detailed feedback. Now, like I mentioned, 100% of our research is independent. So while brands can pay for this service, it doesn't guarantee that they're going to pass or that they'll be certified. I'll give you a typical example of how this might work. So let's say a brand pays for the service. What we'll do is we'll do our initial research of the brand, and let's say their initial score is 30 points, where they need 50 points or more to pass our assessment. So we'll share that initial result with them, and then we'll also share a roadmap to getting certified with them. So we'll share specific feedback, areas for improvement, and things they can do to get certified. From there, it's up to the brand. If they make improvements and do the things that we mentioned in the action plan, we'll reevaluate them, and if their score is eventually passing, then at that time, we'll certify them. The reason we started the service is because we really wanted to help brands. Like I mentioned, there's a number of B Corps that we failed. There's a number of small sustainable fashion brands that don't pass our criteria because unfortunately they just don't share enough transparency about their supply chain or information about their fair labor practices and things like this. And so after failing many brands, we didn't want to be in a position where we were just failing brands. We wanted to offer a service where we could help those brands cross the line, right? Especially because we see a lot of great brands, sustainable fashion brands, like I mentioned, B Corps and others, that really could be doing better, really could earn our certification. So we started that service in order to help support those brands and help them become certified sustainable fashion leaders. Additionally, like I mentioned, brands that pay for our certification service at Eco-Stylist make up less than 1% of the total brands that we research. So in short, you can trust our certification because it's fashion specific, it's thorough, and it's 100% independent. Now, let's get to our list of top sustainable fashion brands. I promised you all 100 sustainable fashion brands that you can trust, 100 Eco-Stylist certified sustainable fashion brands, and to get started, I'm going to start with 10 of my favorites. Number 1 is Outerknown. Outerknown achieved our gold rating. At Eco-Stylist, while all brands that we certify are sustainable fashion leaders, we actually have 3 tiers. We have certified, silver, and gold, with gold being our highest tier. The reason we developed these tiers is that so even the best sustainable fashion brands always have room to improve. So like I mentioned, Outerknown achieved our gold rating. They achieved an excellent score in transparency, excellent score in fair labor, and excellent score in Sustainably Made. Some cool things to note about Outerknown is they share 100% of their tier 1 suppliers, and their goal is to share 100% of their tier 1 through tier 4 suppliers by 2025, this year. Additionally, they work with fair trade certified factories, which means in addition to fair wages for clothing makers, they've also given over $133,000 to workers' livelihoods programs through the Fair Trade Premium. In addition to this, over 95% of the fabrics that Outerknown uses in their clothes are more sustainable fabrics, including things like regenerative organic cotton. If you want to learn more about Outerknown's sustainability and why they're a great brand, check out our brand rating for Outerknown, which I'll have linked in the description for you. In the video description, I'll include links to the brand ratings for each of these top 10 sustainable fashion brands that I'm going to share with you. One fun fact about Outerknown is that it was founded by world champion surfer Kelly Slater. And we have another video where I review a pair of their swim trunks, which I'll have linked for you here in the cards if you want to check it out. Number 2, Toad & Co. Toad & Co is also rated Eco-Stylist Gold. If we look at their brand rating, they achieved a good score in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and excellent in Sustainably Made. The majority of Toad & Co's clothing is also made from sustainable fabrics, including things like hemp. Toad & Co helps to ensure that its clothes are safe for you and your skin with certifications like OEKO-TEX and Blue Sign. Toad & Co is known for their fun, casual clothing, and their clothing includes lots of fun prints and styles. Their clothes are great for the outdoors, but also great for casual settings, coffee shops, etc. Number 3, Known Supply. This is a brand I really love for their next level transparency. Known Supply shares all of their factories and even their makers on their website. They have a section called Meet the Makers, where you can literally meet the people who made your clothes and learn more about them. Known Supply is rated Eco-Stylist Silver, and they achieved ratings of excellent in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and good in sustainably made. It's worth noting that all of Known Supply's factories are fair trade certified, but I want to show you my favorite thing about Known Supply, and that is what they include in their products. So this Eco-Stylist hat here, we had these specially made by Known Supply. Known Supply also does business orders. So like, let's say you're a business like Eco-Stylist or you're a cafe, and you want, fair trade, organic cotton hats or t-shirts made for your organization, Known Supply can do that. So we had these hats made for us by Known Supply. And my favorite thing about Known Supply is that in all of their products, including this hat, they include a tag inside, right? And the tag tells you who made your hat or your shirt or whatever the product is. And in addition to telling you who made this hat right on the tag, they also include a QR code, which you can scan to learn more about the maker who made your product. I've also met Known Supply's founder Cole in person at the Sustainable Fashion Forum, and this is a really great brand that we believe in. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot, and it really helps us grow. Number 4, Adelante Made to Order. Adelante is rated Eco-Stylist Gold, and their ratings are excellent in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and excellent in sustainably made. Something really cool about Adelante Made to Order is that all their shoes are made to order. This dramatically cuts down on waste and improves the environmental footprint of this brand. In addition to this, all of their shoes are made in their workshop in Guatemala. They own the workshop, and they pay all of the shoemakers there living wages in Guatemala. Now, if you don't know, a commitment to living wages is still a pretty radical position in the fashion industry. In the fashion industry, less than 5% of clothing makers earn a living wage. So when brands choose to pay clothing makers and shoemakers living wages, and they have proof of that, that's a radical position, and that's really where we need and want fashion brands to be. Now, in addition to this, Adelante will always have a special place in my heart because it's one of the first ethical and sustainable fashion brands that I discovered. I started Eco-Stylist 7 years ago, and about a year before that, I discovered Adelante Made to Order. I was walking around in an outdoor farmer's market in Boston when I saw these beautiful handmade leather shoes. I first was just drawn to the style of the shoes, and I went there and talked to the guy behind the table, and it turned out he was Peter Sacco, the founder of Adelante Made to Order. He was telling me how they make their shoes ethically and how they pay all their shoemakers living wages, and this was really interesting to me because this was the first time I ever heard a fashion brand talking about living wages. Of course, I ordered a pair of shoes, but in addition to that, this led me down a rabbit hole of thinking where I started to ask questions of myself, like, how can I build my entire wardrobe by supporting brands like Adelante Made to Order, right? And then once I realized that that was possible, that I could do that for myself, I then later, just less than a year later, started Eco-Stylist in order to help other people do the same thing. Number 5, Ask It. Ask It achieved a rating of Eco-Stylist Silver, and their ratings were excellent in transparency, fair in fair labor, and excellent in sustainably made. Something I love about Ask It is their radical transparency. Ask It is transparent about their transparency. And so what I mean by that is they'll share information about their entire supply chain from tiers 1 through tier 4, but they'll also share information about where they are in their transparency journey. So if they haven't fully traced the product, or if they've traced tiers 1 through 3, but not yet 4, for example, they'll share that information honestly with you on their website. And that's really refreshing. In addition to this, something I really love about Ask It is they make really high quality minimalist staple pieces. For example, this t-shirt that I'm wearing, I've had this black t-shirt from Ask It for over 5 years now, and it's a piece that I really love, so I wear it nearly every week. And after all that time and all those washes, it's still holding up great. No holes, no repairs, no new stitching. So I'm really impressed with the quality of Ask It, and it's definitely a brand that I would recommend. Check out their brand rating in the video description to learn more about Ask It, and let's move on to the next brand. Brand number 6, Nudie Jeans. Nudie Jeans is rated Eco-Stylist Gold, and their ratings are excellent in transparency, good in fair labor, and excellent in sustainably made. Now, there's a lot of things I love about Nudie Jeans. In addition to making really high quality jeans, they also offer free repairs for life on their jeans. And they'll do these free repairs in store for you in any of their nudie jeans stores. I actually interviewed Nudie Jeans right at their store in LA, and I made a whole video about it, which I'll have linked for you in the cards here if you want to check that out. In that video, we talk about Nudie Jeans sustainability, their free repairs, and I even show you how they do their free repairs in store right in that video. Number 7, 8,000 Kicks. 8,000 Kicks makes hemp and vegan-friendly sneakers and shoes. 8,000 Kicks is rated Eco-Stylist Silver, and their ratings are good in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and good in sustainably made. Now, one of the reasons I love 8,000 Kicks is their innovative use of hemp in their shoes. If you don't know, hemp is a natural fiber and it's one of the most sustainable fabrics out there. 8,000 Kicks makes really cool and comfortable hemp sneakers, and if you want to learn more about their sustainability and all the great work they're doing, check out their brand rating in the video description. Number 8, Prana. Now, Prana is a brand you've probably heard of. They're known for their activewear and their yoga apparel. Their clothes are also popular for climbers, hikers, and a number of other activities. Prana's rating is Eco-Stylist certified, and their ratings are good in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and good in sustainably made. One cool thing about Prana is that the majority of their factories are fair trade certified, and their goal is to have 100% of their factories be fair trade certified by 2028. I actually recently reviewed some of Prana's men's styles, and I'll have that video linked for you here in the cards if you want to check it out. Number 9. Vustra. Vustra is a smaller ethical menswear brand. They mostly make shirts for men from natural fibers, including things like linen and organic cotton. Vustra's rating is Eco-Stylist certified, and their ratings in our 3 categories are good in transparency, good in fair labor, and good in sustainably made. I also made a video many years ago reviewing some of Vustra's pieces, and I'll have that video linked for you here in the cards if you want to check it out. One thing worth noting about that video is that since it was made many years ago, most of those styles are probably no longer available and no longer for sale on Vustra, but they have lots of new styles for you to check out. Number 10, Patagonia. Patagonia's rating is Eco-Stylist Gold, and their ratings in our 3 categories are excellent in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and excellent in sustainably made. Now, since out of the top 10 brands that I just recommended, Patagonia is definitely the largest, it's probably a brand that needs no introduction. You may have also noticed that Patagonia is included in a lot of the other top sustainable fashion lists out there, but I wanted to include it in this roundup so you can see that it's actually a great brand and you can see some of the reasons why. Now, if you're not familiar with Patagonia, in addition to achieving our highest rating of gold, Patagonia also helped to start 1% for the Planet. If you're not familiar with what 1% for the Planet is, it's a movement where companies join, and as members, they give back 1% of their revenue every year to environmental nonprofits. In addition to helping to start this and being members themselves, you may have seen the decision by Patagonia founder Yvon Chouinard later to make Earth their only shareholder. When they made this decision, what they decided to do is to give all of their profits every year to environmental nonprofits. So whereas they started a movement with 1% for the Planet, and they used to give back 1%, now Patagonia gives all of their profits every year to environmental nonprofits to help fight climate change. Now, you probably know that Patagonia makes a lot of outdoor apparel, performance-minded apparel that's designed for all kinds of outdoor activities, pretty much everything you can imagine, from surfing to climbing to hiking, etc. And in addition to making this high-quality outdoor apparel, they guarantee all of their clothes for life. But obviously, all of their clothes aren't just for outdoor activities. They also make a lot of great casual styles, and their clothes are really high quality, high performance, meaning you could get a great jacket from Patagonia and you could have that jacket for 10 years or longer. All right, so that concludes my top 10 sustainable fashion brands. Now, let's talk about where you can find 90 plus more great brands worth supporting. Okay, so where can you find over 100 great sustainable fashion brands? For more than 100 great sustainable fashion brands, all of them Eco-Stylist certified, check out our brand guide. I'll have our brand guide linked in the video description for you so you can find and shop sustainable fashion. Our brand guide includes the 10 brands I just introduced to you and over 90 other great brands worth supporting. I'm not going to introduce each brand one by one in order to save you from having to watch a 3-hour plus video, but I'll have that brand guide linked in the video description for you to check out. I really hope you all found this video helpful. What topic would you like me to talk about next time? Let me know in the comments, and it just might be our next video. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, dress like you give a damn.